Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here on this channel, we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use sleep mode in Pokemon Go Plus. So if you want to know how to use it, just keep on watching. First of all, what you need to do is pair up the Pokemon Go Plus with either of the games. After pairing it up, press the middle button until it closes with a blue light, and you hear a lullaby play. Do this before you go to bed to start the sleep session tracking by the device. When you wake up, you can end your sleep session by holding the middle button of the Pokemon Go Plus until it flashes multicolored lights. If the light looks red during this action, it indicates that your sleep session was not recorded successfully or that your sleep was shorter than 90 minutes. You can log into either Pokemon Go or Pokemon Sleep to check the rewards you collected while you were asleep. So that's how you use sleep mode in Pokemon Go Plus. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.